Hey y'all, this is Chris with OneSupport.com, and today is our 4th day of our 12 days of giveaways. Today I have an 80-in-1 electronics/laptop repair kit. So with this kit, you should be able to repair most of your electronics, such as your smartphones, your laptops, desktops. On Amazon, it boasts PS4 and Xbox as well. We did pick this up on Amazon for $30, and I'm going to have that link down in the description. Also, I'm going to have a link in which you can enter to win this repair kit. But now let's go ahead and open it up and take a look at it. Alright, so I actually did use a kit similar to this recently. I took apart my boss's Mac Mini and added more RAM to that, and hopefully I'll have that video up on our YouTube channel here soon. So the kit itself is actually really light, no more than 2 or 3 pounds at the most. It does come in this portable carrying case. Let's open it up and take a look at it. So this is pretty neat. Everything does come in here. All of your screwdriver bits, your screwdriver itself. Up here at the top you can see you even have like socket wrenches. So over on this side you're going to have precision tools for removing the screen off of your smartphone or your tablet. And over on this side you have 3 different spudgers and some more precise kind of tools over here. So one thing that's cool is that these are all labeled for you. So for example, I know for a fact when you're replacing the RAM in a Mac Mini, you're going to be using a T5, a T6, and a T10 screwdriver. It goes right in there and it's actually held in magnetically. And my favorite thing about this kit is that, everything has its own place. So that is the 80-in-1 electronics and laptop repair kit. It does have 56 magnetic bits that do go into that screwdriver. Everything is organized, lightweight, compact. And again, we picked this up on Amazon for $30, and I'm going to have that link down below in the description for you. Also, I'm going to have a link in which you can enter to win this organizer. So that's all I've got for you guys today. This is our 4th day of our 12 days of giveaways. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell next to subscribe so that way you get notified every time we upload a video and you can enter to win the next 8 days of gifts. And in the meantime, if you guys have any other questions, feel free to visit us at OneSupport.com or give one of our technology advisors a call at the number on your screen. Thanks for watching.